show you how to install your dynamic turning signals. I'm going to start by taking a screwdriver and prying our turning signal out, just like that. Then you will disconnect the clip in the back by decompressing and pulling. You will then twist this counterclockwise, and then you will take the bulb out of your OEM light and you will plug this into your OEM socket. After it slides in, twist counterclockwise or clockwise to tighten it. Put the clip back in. Start with the front forward and push. There you go. Turning signal in. Let me know if you guys need any help or have any questions.